Hello, I'm Paul Harfleet and I'm speaking to you during very strange times indeed. I've already been in isolation for 2 weeks on my own, but I'm fine. My hair's a bit mad, but it's fine. And so what I wanted to do was to let you know that I am available to do various creative things with your bored kids. I have done workshops around the world over the last couple of years, and they're based on drawing skills and how to improve your drawing skills, and they can be however long they're needed to be depending on the age of the child. Sometimes it works best if they're half an hour, sometimes it can be an hour. I've also done them with adults, so if there's bored adults out there, I'm happy to do that too. So they're basically kind of fun, quick drawing exercises followed by some more detailed drawing exercises, and then it's pretty much fun, I think. I've not done it online before, so I don't know how it's going to work. So you might have to bear with me. I might have some guinea pigs. On my website, I do have a reading. I have a video of me reading my book, Pansy Boy. But maybe someone wants me to read it to them over Zoom or whatever it is you're using. So there's also some colouring in sheets on my website, and how to create your field notes, which is kind of referencing the book. It's basically focused on going outside, but I think if you're lucky enough to have a garden, you could do that, or your kids could do that in the garden, or you can do it, adults can do it. I'm also going to do some other work, I think. I'm going to create some kind of worksheet, which I'm thinking is going to be called Garden Safari. But again, that's based on if you've got a garden, and not everyone does. So if that's something you'll be interested in me doing, then do let me know. I'm happy to help and support the parents that are probably quite frazzled. I've been in isolation on my own for 2 weeks, and I'm pretty okay because I'm quite calm and okay. That doesn't make any sense. If you are struggling, then I could help you basically, and maybe just divert their attention from something else while you want to do some work yourself from home. I'm happy really to help. In terms of cost, I've lost loads of work. All my work has been postponed until much later on in the year, so I don't know what's going to happen financially for me, but I'm pretty okay. So, but if you wanted to donate for a workshop for an hour, then I'd be happy and delighted. But if you can't, then that's also fine. It's a sliding scale sort of situation. So I hope you're all sane. I think I'm just about sane. It's lucky, I think, that I'm on my own, otherwise I'd be driving everyone else mad. But it's very strange times. It's kind of frightening, and drawing and reading and looking out the window, I think, are really nice things to do during this time. I've just cleaned my windows. So thanks for watching, and comment below if you'd like me to do anything at all. I can even talk to adults about how I got this book published. I do talks and things, I don't know. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.